Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say like, subscribe, comment, and also if you want to join the Patreon before I switch over to my own website and charge and start, moving the price up to $7.50 instead of $10 a month, go join the Patreon now. www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'm a little bit panty. It's because I'm currently running on the treadmill, taking a break to make this video. Just letting you guys know that Bitcoin broke the lows of the 2-week mark here at 26,508.14. We are currently sitting at 26,401. I think we're going to be in the next 2 weeks or so crashing about $10,000. So my target as of right now is back here between 16 to 17K in the next, within the next 14 days or so. Historically, that's what happens when we close on the 2-week, right? So here on the 2-week right here, you drop down from 39.4 all the way down to 34, so about a 5K drop, and then you kept dropping even more. And then here on the actual 2-week again, open 58.8, you drop to 49.6, so about a 10K drop. And again on the 2-week open right here at 60K, drop to about 49K, so another 10K drop. So I am expecting anywhere between another 5 to 10K drop minimum. I am expecting a 21K again, or actually the open was what, 28. So minimum I expect to drop to 23K or like 22K, around this range. But ultimately I do expect us to go back to 16, 17K after maybe in like another month and a half or something, right? Because usually after this plays out, this will play out by May 22nd. So May 22nd to maybe like mid-June, I am expecting us to be back at 16 to 17K. So just letting you guys know. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.